Okay. Yeah.
Come to that and
How to get to the basement of secrets. Okay. So what? What do we do first? Yeah, I'm on that spot.
Here. Pass around here.
Okay.
Right there.
Okay.
And you'll get there.
I'll go somewhere else and try it.
Right here.
Okay.
Around here, okay?
Okay.
And you'll get there.
Oh wow, I got there.
Yep. 6%. You'll get there.
So you click right around here and you get it. That's nice. Clicking random buttons so I can. Oh, right. Hurry up. Clicking random buttons because I'm trying to get to the suit or whatever of knowledge. Whatever. Yay, I got here. Yeah. Okay, bye.